Working with database design and have ER files containing entity relationship diagrams. These define database structure visually. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these entity relationship database model files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single ER file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. An ER file is a data model created by ERwin Data Modeler, a software tool for designing and documenting databases. Database architects and developers use these files to create visual entity relationship diagrams, ERDs, define database structures, and generate schema scripts for various database management systems. The ER format is a proprietary binary file that stores all components of a data model, including entities, attributes, relationships, and metadata. This integrated binary structure was designed to maintain the complex interdependencies of the model elements and protect the integrity of the design within the ERwin ecosystem. For ER, the most reliable approach is to try DB design tools first. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot decode indexes or constraints, so interpretation relies on the correct DB tool. Right-click the ER file and select Open With. Since this format can be handled by multiple tools, try the best match from the list first. Look for apps related to DB design tools. Then continue down the options. If you cannot access the ER file, no problem. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in ER modeling tools. Identify the application that created the ER file based on its source and open in the matching tools such as ERwin, Deep Schema, MySQL Workbench, or Lucidchart. Each ER modeling tool typically uses its own format, requiring the original application or its viewer for proper diagram display and editing. Next, using universal tools. Try opening ER files in MySQL Workbench, DB Forge Studio, or DB Schema, which support various ER model formats. These tools may import ER models from other applications, enabling cross-platform database design workflows. Successful import depends on the specific ER format used by the source application. Finally, converting to standard formats. Export ER models to standard formats like SQL DDL scripts or XML representations using your ER modeling tool's export functionality. SQL DDL contains the actual database schema in executable form, while XML preserves diagram structure for import into other tools. Both approaches enable working with ER models across different platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.